Give it a little twist.
Ooh.
It's like one of those wind turbines.
Hey friends, welcome to the Shar and Joe Show. On this episode, we are going to be making the viral TikTok potatoes. So I'm super excited to be making those today. And we'll also be doing a few TikTok experiments as well. So Joe's gonna do the cutting here because I don't trust myself and don't think I'll be able to do it the right way. Hopefully he does a better job than I will.
Oh boy.
So you wanna get started and show these guys how to do it?
Do it this way. Alright. Take that as a yes.
You take the lead here, because
This is for you.
Alright, we'll just put that aside.
Don't we have a slicer?
Yeah, but we're doing this old school, just with a knife, because that's what the recipe showed. Oh, nice.
Cut 'em right.
Nice slice. Is that too thin?
That one's borderline. Yeah, you're supposed to cut them about 1/4 inch to 3/8 of an inch thick. Well, you got 1/4 inch on this side and about 1/2 inch on that side.
Oh,
Strike
man.
2.
All right.
So next you take 2 wickets,
Skewers.
2 skewers, place them that way. We're gonna slice this 1/16 of an inch apart, and when we slice through, these skewers will stop us from going all the way through. These skewers look a little thin though. We'll see how it goes.
There, it didn't go through.
Yeah, if you put your knuckle behind it, don't put your finger under it, but
Yeah, Joe, that's common sense.
now you stick it in the oven.
No,
Now flip it over
and cut it diagonal, right?
and then cut it on a diagonal.
So much suspense.
Small potato, big potato. So the skewer,
Then,
slide that in the end.
don't get too crazy now. Everything's turning out well. Don't want any problems.
This might be the hardest part.
So if you're struggling, how you expect me to do it? Do you gotta twist it? Like a screw.
Use a drill bit so you can kind of spread it down the spigot. Give it a little twist.
Ooh.
It's like one of those wind turbines.
So I got mine cut up. It's not doing what Joe's did, because I think I did it too thick. But we'll see what happens. I'm gonna try to push this skewer through, see what all the hoopla was about. Joe had a lot of issues with the skewer.
Just don't stab yourself.
I think if you twist, it goes in a little easier. I'm not forcing it. Just like a screwdriver, you know? We're gonna do a good little spin move here, and voila.
Wow, looks like a potato chip.
So here's Joe's, and here's mine. Who
All
looks
right.
better? Clearly, I'm the winner.
Well, we're gonna practice on these last few, and then we'll get them in the oven.
We still have the other step.
And then we'll do the other step.
All right, get them done quick.
So we got these chopped up. I don't think we really got better at it.
Next step here is we are going to be basting both sides with olive oil.
Flip them over.
Wait, now that this side is basted, we can actually put some parsley on it. Make it look pretty. Okay, you can spin it around. Now, Joe, you're gonna sprinkle it with salt and pepper. I came up with this idea.
Oh boy.
Little grater Parmesan cheese on just one, so we can test
Just
it.
one?
Yeah, I want to test it. This is my idea, so I don't want to like ruin.
You should have put it on your potato.
I don't want to ruin anything, so I'm just gonna do it on one potato. Now we're gonna bake these in the oven at 400 degrees for about 40 minutes. In between, so around 20 minutes, you're gonna flip them over so the other side gets crispy. And in between that, while we're waiting, we'll do a few experiments, games, trivia, all that. Sound good?
Sounds good. Let's pop them in.
Now, if you guys watched the first episode of this season, for some reason, I get really frightened by when a balloon pops. I am going to try not to scream this time. On TikTok, there was this thing where you poke the end of the lemon and you're able to squeeze the juice out. So I'm pretty sure it works the same way for an orange, so that way we can squeeze the juice onto our balloon with that cool TikTok technique. Because I wanted to try that out anyway, so might as well.
What do we do with the rest? Put it in the
So
cup?
you poke the end of your citrus and you should be able to squeeze.
3, 2, 1. Blast off. What's supposed to happen?
It's supposed to pop.
Why is it supposed to pop?
Something about the citrus.
There's nothing going on.
Not getting enough citrus. Friends, it didn't work. That means, once again, people are lying on the internet. Not surprising, but
We can eat our orange.
you
and be
can
happy.
use the skewer, and I'm gonna try not to scream.
Can't even get the skewer to go through.
This balloon.
Look at that. Did you guys believe that? My skewer is inside the balloon.
Then what?
Skewer inside the balloon. 2 for 2.
So I didn't scream because. Ah! Oh my gosh! I didn't know you were gonna do that.
Do what?
You know what you did.
This is a game you can play with your friends.
Oh! Why? Why?
Wow. Our house is smelling like citrus.
All right, so we're gonna clean up and then we'll do some lemon trivia.
That was fun, watching my wife scream.
Twice when I was supposed to scream 0 times.
Yeah, but come to think of it, probably don't shake a skewer balloon because it could pop out and hurt somebody.
Poke your eye out or something.
But anyways, it's time for lemon trivia.
Lemon trivia! All right, what's your question for me?
Which country produces the most lemons? Option A, Mexico. Option B, Turkey. Option C, Argentina.
Something's telling me to go with Argentina.
Argentina?
Yeah,
Who thinks Charlene's right?
I do.
Wrong!
Oh man, what is it?
Charlene is striking out this season.
What is it?
What is it?
Mexico!
Mexico.
That was my
Mexico.
first option, but Argentina just sounded so enticing, but it was...
Trickery.
So we're gonna be doing 2 experiments at the same time. So first, Joe, I want you to get all set up. So you're gonna pour some water just in the middle of the plate, and then some cracked black pepper. Put a lot. So now I'm gonna prep my experiment, and mine is easy. Just get a spoon with some cocoa powder on there. Now, Joe, you're gonna put your finger in that Dawn dish soap. 3, 2, 1.
Oh no, the pepper disappeared. Come back, pepper.
And my cocoa powder is still dry.
Wow, what happened? Show me.
So apparently the cocoa powder repels water. This is my second dunk. And look. And and then she took a knife and it just kind of went away. All right, so it looks like we still have some time before our potatoes are done. So you want to go ahead and play a quick game?
Quick wink?
Quick game?
We played this box of games before. It's called Beat That. Comes with a bunch of different cards with different games on it and dice, and today we got chopsticks. So it says, Speed Stacker, scatter 4 dice on a table. Using only chopsticks, you have 30 seconds to stack the dice. The top dice must have the number 6 facing upwards. So scatter them around here. Close my eyes so I'm not cheating.
All right.
Got my eyes closed.
Tell me when this hits start.
Do 3, 2, 1, go.
3, 2, 1, go. 8, 7.
Plenty of time.
Here's Joe. Let's do a game with chopsticks. And then I was like, okay. And then now I'm just realizing I don't use chopsticks very well, so it's gonna be very problematic. Can I go like this?
Hold them however you want. Hold them in front of you and close your eyes.
All right.
3, 2, 1, blast off, go. All right, she's got the first one. She's moving it into position. Number 2. Oh boy.
Oh my word.
She's going with the American style use of chopsticks.
I need a fork.
The tongs.
Okay, let's try it. The Joe.
11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Woo!
5, 4, 3, 2,
Stop
1,
pressuring
0!
You're pressuring me.
All right.
You pressured me. It was a lot of pressure and drama.
Why, you want to try again?
Not with all that. Yeah, I want to try again.
Let's do a time.
Since when are we allowed to scream at people?
You were yelling 11, 10. All right, we're going to do a timer instead, and when she's done, she's done. Close your eyes. $21.99.
And I am the winner of...
No, you're not. Let me do it again.
Everything. 3, 2, 1, go.
Done.
So now what?
That means I won by like 30 seconds.
All right. Well, I'm hungry. And
you're gonna have to eat your potato with a chopstick.
We both.
Now that you were,
no.
Because you lost.
No. Not doing it. We both win, and I'll tell you what we both win. A potato lollipop that I'm ready to eat.
You can have your potato lollipop. I'll eat a potato accordion.
All right. We'll be right back, guys. We have our potatoes all plated up and
cooled off.
One is the one that I added the cheese, and so this is kind of stuck together, so it's really not able to have that shape. Do you think you can get the shape with yours?
What's
like kind of twist it like how we saw in the video.
Like that?
Yeah. So I guess it works-ish, but it doesn't stay that way. So that's kind of...
Probably could have, well, I don't know. I guess it's cooked about how it should be.
Anyway, time to taste our potato lollipops. We're gonna switch so you can try the cheese one, and I'll try the regular one, but first
what?
Let's dig in.
Cheers.
Cheers. So it has a hash brown type of flavor. So taste-wise, I think I preferred the one with the Parmesan cheese. It was a little bit more crunchy and flavorful, but they were both really delicious. So I would definitely recommend this recipe. Just take your time with the cutting so that you can really get in there and don't make a mess of it like I did.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you share this video with your friends. Please comment down below if you hated it or liked it. And then if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell. And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.